Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As there are many friends of mine, they want to create their first video and upload on YouTube, but they don't know how to do and they can't find the ideas. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you some very simple steps to create your first video. Like, you don't need to think about some big ideas like to create a web drama or a TV show. Just think about some very basic, like your daily routine, and all you need is just a phone. Okay, you don't need to buy a professional camera to do it, right? And in today's video, I'm gonna show you in action, like step by step, how to film and not how to edit. I just like introduce the app. Okay, right, let's get started. To read the book, I have to turn on the lamp. But first I will film the lamp for 5 seconds. Okay, and then now I will turn on the lamp and continue to film it in 5 seconds. Okay, and next, of course, I need to have a table. Right. Hello. Okay, so wait a minute. And so the table is empty. I need to have a book, of course. Then while reading the book, I want to have a highlighter to highlight. I also want to have a notebook to take note. And I want to have, of course, a pencil to take note. Alright, so that's it for the scenes. And while reading the book, I want to have a cup of water, a cup of coffee, but actually a cup of water. I want to have a cup of water. Okay, wait a minute. And now I will film the water. I'm pouring the water into the cup. You can go closer. Okay. And after reading the book, I have to turn off the lamp. Okay, but first I have to hold it for 5 seconds and then I turn off. That's it. So there are 3 things you should remember. No zooms, please. No zooms. Remember this, okay? The second one is film it for 5 seconds. The next one is steady. Don't let your video second like this. Okay? You hold it firmly. Okay, right? And for editing, if you use an iPhone, I suggest you the app called where is it? I cannot focus on it. Okay, this one, iMovie. Okay, it's free and easy to use. Alright, so here it is. I have some videos here. Just install the app and try and learn how to use it. And if you use an Android, like a lot of people they use KineMaster or something, you can trying that, like find some free app without logo, okay, for your first videos on YouTube. And so if you have any question, just leave your comment down below. I will try to help you, try to support you. Okay, so see ya, and please remember to smash the subscribe button. Okay, thank you.